What is up, YouTube fam? It is your boy Jason. We hopping back in with another vid. Hope you guys are doing wonderful. I'm doing great. Blessed to see another day. We are here at Driver Motorsports for their open house. Let's take a look and see what we can see. Obviously, we can't go past the tape, but a race car in progress. Some dope shit in here. Clean S2K. The SSRs. The Mark IV Supra. Work in progress up top. Another S2K, work in progress. I like the lighting they got in here, it's pretty dope. Big turbo 2J. Ooh, this engine bay is gorgeous. Everything polished from the intake manifold, radiator, even the alternator's polished. This thing is a work of art. Not only is it fast as fuck, looks good as fuck. This is sick. Got us a clean Toyota Chaser sitting on some TE37s, some bronze TEs with the black, very clean look. Got the big body drift car, you know how it is. Things are super popular in the drift community. Rear wheel drive Camry, that's funny. We got us a couple of Crown Estates over here, you know, right hand drive wagons. I fucks with it. Be pretty fun dailies for sure. Turn them into some dope VIP cars too. Got the R33 Nissan Skyline GT-R sitting on the work Kawamis. Looks like they got the upgraded front mount intercooler. Probably a big turbo in there powering that RB26. Okay, can't see the... Let's see if we can get a peek around there. It's a pretty dope bucket seat. The ugly sister of the Skyline lineup, but I fucks with the R33s. Big old fat HKS cannon coming out the back. Okay, got the Ford Pro. Oh, that sounds sick. Got the Hawkeye pulling in. Hey, I finally beat Brendan and Owen to an event. Ain't that some shit? Finally beat y'all to an event. Ooh, got the slanty boy wheels on there. Super clean. Ooh, a little Golf R, okay. The VR6. Oh, only problem. He's an Eagles fan. I'm just playing. Sounds mean though. Got the Subi lineup. I missed mine. Missed mine very much. Not too much longer though. Okay, we'll take a look at this Hawkeye. Carbon hood. F1R wheels. Solid fitment for the Subi. I like the color. He said he just finished wrapping it. It was his first time wrapping a car. I think he did really well. Oh, y'all Subis part together making me miss mine. Got the hood popped on that supercharged Ford Pro. Take a quick look. It sounded mean when it pulled in for sure. And they got the R32 VR6 parked next over here with the driver lineup. Several clean right-hand drive cars, of course. That's what they specialize in. Get y'all to run down, you know. I like his wheels, super clean. Auto Hans for the win. Budget friendly. Mitsubishi 3000 GT. Engine bay, pain to work in, but there are some sleek cars. Okay. Got us another Mitsubishi over here. Looks like another 3000 GT, but with a different front end. Let's take a look at this thing. Some clean NK wheels. Okay, dude, that's very clean. Porsche 911 Turbo. What's up, YouTube fam? It's your boy Jason.
hopping in the middle of your video to give you an update on our Christmas giveaway. We're calling this our 2K Christmas giveaway. Why? Because you guys have got us to 2,000 subs, and I am very thankful for that. So I'm going to give you guys back a little something. Now we're going to have 3 prizes, top 3. And this is the way it's going to work. First place gets a $250 gift card, a hoodie, and a sticker pack. Second place gets a hoodie and a sticker pack. And third place will get a sticker pack. Now, what I need from you guys to do to get entered into the giveaway is 4 simple things. Step 1, take a screenshot showing that you're subscribed to Project Flat 4 on YouTube. Take a screenshot of Project Flat 4's TikTok account, your hoodie size, and where you would like your gift card from. That's right, I'm going to let the winner pick where they get their gift card from. It'll be $250. I know that's not a lot of money, but this isn't costing you anything but a little bit of time. So I think it's a good little prize. It'll give you a chance to either get you some small stuff that you've been wanting or put a little money with it, get you a big item. So what you need to do is the email that I'm dropping below here, send me a screenshot from YouTube, a screenshot from TikTok showing you follow Project Flat 4, your hoodie size, and where you would like your gift card to, just in case you are the winner. That way I don't have to keep emailing everybody. And then once you have done that, I will return an email with a number. And that will be your winning number, or your chance at a winning number, I should say. The way we're going to do that, I'm going to buy one of the little spinny things that has numbers in it, and I'm going to let my 3 kids participate, since I have 4 kids, but one of them's still crawling, he hasn't quite walking yet, so he can't participate. He'll just be hanging out with us. But I will spin the thing, the kids will tell me when, and then they will pull the number. And then whatever number that is, if it corresponds with you, you will be the winner, and I will reach out to you within a few days of that video going up. So I hope you guys find this fair, fun, and appreciative of me thanking you guys for hitting us 2,000 subs. So without further ado, back to the video.
Well, Driver, they got cars all the way down to the side of the building. Jeez. All right-hand drive, too. This one's super clean on BBS's. Now that's a daily right here. Just pull up, cruising. Like I said, all these right-hand drive cars. Ooh, wind's picking up a bit. A lot of them are white and silver. Good dang, got the big boy wheels on here. A Maverick. It's VIP set up for sure. Oh, let's take a look at this Z31. This is sick. Looks like it's all original. Very dope. Super wedgy. You know, you gotta let them 80s cars. Got the T-top on it too. Yeah, 300ZX, the Z31, very clean. Gorgeous. And we got us the R32 GT. I'm assuming it's a GTT or a GTST, because it doesn't have the R34 wide body or bumpers. Yeah, still super dope though. Means it's probably rear-wheel drive, which would be super fun. Miss Light Twin, where have you been? Still on the stock wheels there, but got a nice exhaust on there. And we'll come over here and look at this gorgeous S2000, the Volt TE37s in white. Looks very nice with the blue. Hard top. Big fat cannon sticking out the back. Hey, we got us a Nissan Gloria. Say what's up to old skeleton man right there. Of course, it's been given the VIP treatment. Got your grandma's window curtains over the dash. Look at that shifter there, that's wild. That's really cool. Wow. We got some, you know, some travel shit down the side, because why not? But look at this exhaust. Hey, that tip is crazy. It's pretty unique. The VASTI, the roof rack, and the paint matched. I don't even know what you call those things. But it's paint matched. 2018 plus, because you know it's got the neon calipers, got the track light wheels from Otegi. Okay. Got some canards on there, or a canard. I like it. Solid start. I'd like to see what the engine bay looks like, but you know, it ain't pop. That's a nice little look right there. I like it. Speaking of nice looking, take a look at this S2K sitting on some bronze SSRs, the blue. Y'all know I'm a sucker for the blue with the bronze wheels. It's a Subi boy coming out in me. Very clean. Some more right-hand drive wagons. Told the wife we need to get rid of our regular minivan and get this right-hand drive minivan. She told me I was crazy. I was like, but babe, it's right-hand drive. She goes, but babe, no. I think that's just because, you know, your boy's sinking an arm and a leg in that Subaru. And she's like, you ain't spending no more money. And I don't blame her. I do be spending a lot of money on car shit. Alrighty, now that the crowds have left, let's take a look at this Mark IV Supra, right-hand drive on BBS's. Very clean. Oh, got the little clear shifter with the flower in there, very JDM. Has a TRD hood. What's one of those retail for? More than you can afford, pal. Toyota Supra. That didn't age well from Fast and Furious because these are way more than what that damn Ferrari's worth. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, the piece de resistance, the R34 GT-R on Nismo LMs, black on black. Thing is gorgeous. Ooh. The greatest rear end on any car ever. Yes. Wish it was mine. Had to detail a whole lot more cars to get this thing. See what else we got in here. Everybody chilling. This is a dope shop for real. Oh, my second favorite JDM car, FDRX7. This one's sitting on some gorgeous Advance. It looks so good, and it's white. My favorite color. Ooh, this one's for sale. Let me take it home. The wheel wall. Do not touch unless you're gonna buy them. That's a dope little shot right there. GT-R valve cover, timing cover, wrinkle red, super clean. Told the boys, let me walk out of here with that Garrett real quick. Engine ain't in the Subi yet. We can really send it down. Look at that vibrant exhaust. This is sick. Check out the skateboard. It's dope. Some more dope right-hand drive cars in the shop. Let's take a look at the Hilux Surf. Lift it up. It's pretty sick. Can't get around to look at the front though. But you know, it's the 4Runner, the JDM 4Runner basically. But over there they call it the Hilux because, you know, gotta be different. This thing is super clean underneath too. We've had some new stuff pop up since we've just been standing around chatting. Take a look at this gorgeous SI with the MK RPF1s. I love this orange. It's got some carbon fiber vents in the hood. Very clean. Got the little blue on the MK to match his race sticker. Big wing out back. Heck yeah. Ooh, carbon wing too. Okay, I see you, bro. This thing is sweet. Very clean Integra Type R. Plus bone stock, which is all it needs to be since it's a Integra Type R. Oh, I like the blue Recaro buckets though. Those ain't stock. Thing is gorgeous. Oh, had a couple more Supras come up here to join the white one. Here's the one in red. Looks totally bone stock. Got the stock wheels. Target top too. Oh, it's got the little HKS mushroom filter. And then we'll come over here to the one in black. Ooh, I like those tail lights. This one's a left-hand drive. Oh, a lot more done to this one. Okay. Koya red. Got one of them for the Subi. Haha. Need a turbo that big though. Jesus Christ. Love the clear timing cover. Purple belt too. Okay, that's a flex. Matches the valve cover and all the timing components. That is sick. I like these Recaro buckets as well. Very nice. Got the Volk wheels too. Purple caliper. I like it. The black and the purple. It's a nice little combo. We'll take another look at this giant ass turbo. God, dude. Freaking massive. Is that Moody? No. It's not Moody. But it smells like corn. Well, we got some more shit done rolled in. A couple C7 Vet Transport. Shout out to all the Dukes of Hazzard fans out there. It's pretty dope. APR carbon wing. You know, scissor doors, because why the fuck not? This Lexus on bags though. Sitting on the ground for sure. Got the wheels tucked in there like they're taking a nap. Yeah. Clean Beamer. All kinds of carbon lip. Intake. Got that rear carbon seat delete. Yeah. Peanut butter guts. This is the one we've seen before. I love the wheels. Very clean trunk setup. I like that Lexus. Real low. Solid fitment, tucked in there real nice. This Mini Cooper though is sitting on the ground on the OZ wheels. Looks like a little upgraded Terpsky too. Okay, sending that little John Cooper Works engine to the moon. Let's see you. Got the Mark V Supra. Parked down here with their BMW brethren. Second gen Ford Lightning. A little Eaton supercharger on there. Be eating them tires. Oh, one of them fired up the STI. About to roll out. Got some new carbon fiber goodies though. I think last time we saw he had the gurney flap. Some carbon there. He's got the carbon piece to go here. He just hadn't put it on yet. He's also got him a new carbon grill. Take a look at that when we come around. Hell yeah. Looking good. Here we are. Mark 6 GTI. Your boy got to pull his hoodie off because this thing got warm. Well guys, I got stuck behind this truck on the way to the event. I'm stuck behind this same truck on the way home from the event. And look at that damn exhaust pipe he got sticking up at the side. You know how it be. Ford Ranger owners, they build different. Anyway, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, smash the thumbs up button. Consider subscribing to the channel. We just crossed 2,000. Slowly but surely growing. Until next time guys, peace.